And what we are going to do is a experiment called Move a Drink. What the whole thing is supposed to be is that we're going to use straws to move water from one cup to another. What you need will be 4 bending straws, which is right here. And then the second thing we're going to need is a large jug of water, some wide tape, and we're going to need a tin. First, place 2 straws end to end. Like that. Now we will have to add 2 straws to make 1 long straw. Now, the second step we will have to do is fill the jug with water and place it on the table. It's already full. So next, bend the connected straws as shown. Now, place one end of the straw in the jug. Using your mouth, suck some water up from the other end of the straw. Oh, it's working. I'm not going to be doing an experiment in this video. We will be saying the science behind it. So how it would work is when you suck the straw, you lower its air pressure so water moves into it. This gets the water flowing and the other forces keep it moving. It's known as the siphon effect. Did you know toilets flush using the siphon effect? Once the water starts flowing, it doesn't stop until the tank is empty.